During my 6 years of living in Halifax, Nova Scotia, I've always seen this beautiful Georges Island from the Halifax Boardwalk, McDonald Bridge, a ferry ride to Dartmouth, or from Dartmouth waterfront. But I always wondered, what's on that island? Finally, Murphy is offering us a beautiful ride on their Harbour Queen boat all the way towards Georges Island. So we booked our tickets online and we reached there 30 minutes before the boarding time so that we enjoy the waterfront from Murphy's place. I've been on board on the Harbour Queen before, and today it was even more special because we were going to visit this nice place. And there's our boat, and all of us are excited to just hop on it. Boarding started. We are all super excited. Are you excited, little Missy? Yeah. Harbour Queen is popular for their ambassador tours where they put 2 hours of party or cruise time. Usually it's way more happening, but COVID, things have changed.
And cultural histories. Please refer to the brochure provided for a map, points of interest, and a brief history of the island. We hope you can join us again next year when more of the island will be open.
During the entire ride, at various points they reminded us that what are all the attractions to see on the Georges Island and how can we just follow along the map that they provided. And the rest was a beautiful view of our Halifax downtown from the boat ride. I can see the lighthouse more clearly as we are approaching. And if you have heard that saying, journey could be as beautiful as the destination itself, this is one of those experiences where the journey on this boat is as beautiful as our experience on the Georges Island is gonna be. Finally, the boat is docked and we all are super excited on our first time at Georges Island.
Do you see this lighthouse here? The owner of this lighthouse's house is here. Is that his house? Wait. Let me check out 19. Yes, 19 is the tunnel.
Yeah.
If you folks are looking for a tour of our tunnel system, they're just up this way to your left, just right inside the fort. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you so much, you too.
No worries.
This island was part of Halifax's Defence Complex during the Second World War and even before that. Now under the care of Parks Canada, at one point it had a jail, a lookout point, and also heavy military activity. But for people like us, it's just a nice spot to spend time with the family and get some pictures clicked. So after getting a lot of pictures clicked, we moved on to check out the lighthouse. Now this lighthouse is all you see on the Georges Island when you're looking at it from the Halifax waterfront. But once you are on this island, there is so much more to see. Here's a jail, there was also a quarantine center, and right outside the tunnel entrance, it was a great lookout and picnic spot where you can see a 360-degree panoramic view of Halifax and Dartmouth waterfront. For the tour of the tunnel, the tour guides were dressed up just like World War I soldiers, and they made it look quite real.
I'll be taking you on the tour of the tunnel. Today will be about 15 minutes long. Before we go in, there's a quick safety announcement. While we're in there, the ground can be uneven. The first room we're going to go in, on the inner side of the doorway, there is a ledge you're going to have to step up on. The only thing you have to watch out are for snails. They're quite ferocious. Oh, snails.
Snails.
Now we're going to go inside their house.
Inside of this island and this Fort Charlotte is made up of honeycomb structured tunnels made up of cold bricks, and they were told to be bomb proof at that time.
This room here was the main powder bag for the upper battery and upper fort. So this is where all the gunpowder before we got into the store. I don't know what's in that building. It's magic.
Whoa!
These drying right here used to be for storing the stores or the implements you need prior to gun.
And this was the last point of our tunnel tour. So that's Halifax waterfront. This is Georges Island, and here's us. So this was a great trip. While we stay here and have a little bit more fun time, you make sure you like this video, share with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.